Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the final part. This is part 3 of The Voice in My Headphones. Listen carefully. The man was getting closer, step by step. He looked normal, nothing strange, nothing dangerous. "Hey," he said with a small smile. "Are you okay?" I froze. This was him. "I saw you standing here," he continued. "You look a bit lost." His voice was calm, friendly, safe. Too safe. "I'm fine," I said quickly. "Are you sure?" he asked. "I can help you." For a moment, I wanted to trust him. Everything about him felt normal, real, human. "Where are you going?" he asked. I'm going home," I said. He smiled. "Perfect. I'm going that way too." My heart started beating faster. This felt like the right choice. But suddenly, the voice returned. "Don't do it." I froze again. I took a step back. "I'll go alone," I said. The man looked surprised. "Why? It's not safe here." "I'm fine," I repeated. He looked at me carefully. His smile slowly disappeared. For a second, his eyes changed. Something felt off. "Okay," he said quietly. He turned around and walked away. I stood there, shaking. A few seconds passed, then the voice came back. "You did the right thing." I closed my eyes. "What would have happened?" I asked. There was a long silence. Then the voice answered. "You would have followed him. And then, you would never hear me again." A cold feeling ran through my body. "Why?" I asked. "Because that version of you disappears." I slowly opened my eyes. The station was empty again, silent, peaceful. "Thank you," I whispered. The voice replied softly, "No, thank yourself." The connection faded. The music returned. Like nothing ever happened. But I knew everything had changed. This was the end of the story.